Hey guys, welcome back. So for this spring and summer, the only thing I'm doing is changing out the color. You guys remember last year I decorated with blush pink and I added accents of gold and silver. This year what I'm going to do is I'm going to use pretty much like a seafoam green. I didn't end up buying too much this season. I just bought a few accent pieces just to incorporate the color into the living room and dining room area. And I also bought a few items for the kitchen because the kitchen is right there next to the dining and the living room. So we're going to start off with what I got from Marshall's. So the first item I'm going to show you was the item that pretty much convinced me to get this color for this season, and it is these placemats right here. They're pretty much like the straw wicker material, and as you can see they're in this nice minty green color, and these are by Cynthia Raleigh, and they were a set of 8 for $7.99. And when I saw this in HomeGoods, I just thought it was such a pretty color. I don't think I've done this color before, so that's why I went ahead and grabbed these. So I ended up finding the perfect curtain panels in the same color at HomeGoods, and they were a set of 2 for $19.99, and they were in this perfect minty seafoam green color, and they're the extra long ones. They're the 96 inches because that's how high I have my curtain rod. I could never find extra long panels in Ross or in any other store, so I always have to go to HomeGoods to pick up my curtain panels. I did put them on already, but I'm going to show you guys a little clip of how they're looking so far. Them up for Easter, that's why I don't have them with me right now. Also from HomeGoods, I found these cloth napkins in the seafoam green color, so I was happy to find these. So from Ross, I ended up finding some microfiber kitchen towels, a pack of 4 for $3.99. So I went ahead and grabbed this for the kitchen. From Walmart, I ended up finding a few kitchen items that matched perfectly with a hint of other colors. So this towel right here, this dish towel, was 98 cents. And it just has like the mint green colors in the background, and it has some pops of yellow with the pineapple. And this is by Mainstay. And I also got this one right here, and this one just has pops of floral colors like the red and orange, and some teal colors right here with the greenery. So I just thought these were cute, and these would accent the kitchen perfectly. I also grabbed some new kitchenware, like these items right here. Now these are a little bit darker than the color that I picked out, but right now I think we have like a mix of red plastic plates and some white ones. So I picked these up. These were only 98 cents each, and this is a pack of 4 tumblers. Then we got the bowls for like cereals and soups, and then we got the big salad bowl. So these were each individually, they were 98 cents. I also stopped at the Dollar Tree and I picked up this salt and pepper shaker, and these are in the 2 little bunnies, and I just thought these were adorable. Only $1 from the Dollar Tree. And I also picked up from the Dollar Tree a pack of these napkin rings, the silver ones, and I ended up doing like a DIY floral napkin ring holders. So I got these done for this summer. And when I put them on with my dinner napkins, this is pretty much how they look. So I just thought it was so cute and so inexpensive. The flowers I actually did get from the Dollar Tree also. I just plucked out each individual flower and I just hot glued it to the ring. So that's how simple that was. Also from Walmart, I ended up picking up these 2 seafoam green throw pillows for the sofa, just to have that little color, that little pop of color on the couch. So I got these 2. This set was $14.98. So basically I'm still looking for one more pillow, just something that has multiple colors, but mostly the seafoam green in it, just for the middle part of the couch. And I think I'll be done. That is all I grabbed, and honestly, I've had this stuff out there, so it looks great. I don't think I need to overbuy. I didn't buy a lot of things because I really am satisfied with how it looks out there. I just wanted to change the color of the season, so I just changed out a few items like the pillows and the curtains and maybe the dinner napkins and some kitchen towels, and that's pretty much it. It's an inexpensive way to revamp your space, and you don't have to buy every single thing brand new. So I hope you guys liked the items, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. All these items you'll end up seeing in the spring and summer living and dining room tour. So until then, I will see you all very soon. Bye.